ero heketura to sepo bakala takuti tekapang no takuti ro tatuta so pagte mola demi le soslomo atapitama no pasinya la soslomo ne jwa e o no pagte mola jwa maso jwa he takuti no Solomon is the God given wisdom to him. Okay, because the God pleased him. Okay, because she the good person. All right. I want to tell you about this. Two people argue each other or fight each other, and then they get each other. You are the outsider. Why do you think about it? These two people doing? You know. Sometimes you don't understand it because you don't have the wisdom. You don't have wisdom. You don't understand why happened these two people fighting. You had to be looked carefully, and then you should be wiser. Okay, more than these two people. I will tell you about the something these two people. For example, if do you understand about the wisdom? Wisdom is very important to other people, and the wisdom is very grateful to other people. Okay, here we see about the in the Bible talk about the wisdom is so many things people doing the right. All right, but I will say you about that this wisdom is not exactly you can catch it. Okay, Solomon asked to God is only given to him just wisdom. Okay, wisdom because he has to take care of the God people, and then okay, and you know what the crowns, okay, Israel. We understand about that this is you are the leader. You have to be sure a very important thing how to be okay, desires or order something. Okay, this is very important. Okay, I will tell you about that today. Is I want to read you about that a wise ruling. A wise rulings mean what's the mean about a wise ruling? No, talo no because takuti awe tatu taso. Mano awe ne awe picture mara takuti ne pada mano because dini tisigo. Pasal ke ne rule sidan mitala ta per ta picture mara tatu taso ne kapa mano awe ne wise sidan me takuti ne kapa mano. Letan ko ra pen ne tebra di le no. Now two prostitutes come to the king and the stood before him. But the prostitute sitane mitala pagitera mala pakia mano pakia have su pagitera mano pain the prostitute ne pero tele pagitera pak hetem kia no awe hewe su sopa oro settle amenyama has su sopa oro settle amenyama tala prostitute sitane I want to meet tala taba basadana kiro pain is sopa tuluwe no pe pagitera ma peso slomo achune siko taba tulu or siko no I want to tasinyo no I want to tasinyo I want to meet tala agree love or isra wo chiwe tatami siko lo no pain it dewe dile no pakale kwala takri the pine no one of them said no pagitera ma la tagani siwara di lo pagitera ma no Pamulgani siwara di lo no tebra one of them said no pagitera said my lords no this woman and I live in the same house no pagitera pamulgani yo odo or le pagitera hit the plug hole no yo odo or le hit the plug hole the same house no I has a baby no I has the baby no why she was there with me no pagitera mane pe yo odo phoka ne awe odo jama no ero tewe ne no pe ne pagitera mala pe ne no pamudga no pagitera ma pamudga siwara o yeksa yeda no do pamudga I po pasula hit the plug hole yes sane no ye pudga udo ole hipulo no when it picked them yes sane pudga udo ole hipu okay then ko ra pay ni pagitete mala tamata ti phase ko ne pakropa tu pata lo batamu pula no takota khe ko uwe lo pasana ki ro kropa tu pata lo batamu pune pakamara li le o Bakalera dile akinelo. No pain it Devra le tamata tirpani Devra dile no. Panero Devra no the Thursday after my child was born no. Pagter ma sanitani no pagter ma ya pony away. Mo uplet over no pagter ma uplet away no. This woman also has a baby no. Papa mula siko a uweda do a poor no a poor baby no. We were alone no pagter na powera this powera kia ne powera pagter ma le paturo pa no ga alone sidane pa we ukia lo no powera ukia lo. There was no one in the house but the two of us no we two of us sidane metala hit a flop no pato uro pa no ga ma put up away ki ga lo no pagter ma ura pa we ki ga lo hit a flop no. Then I could have pain a pamugan si wedile no pamun si wedile no. During the night, the woman's son died because she laid on him, no? But there are lamunanimo, no? There are a pamulgani, no? A pussy couple a cliffy, mono, lay on him. No, but a clibawa, no? A clibawa could have a wet theory, no? Let that put out a penny, a wet out of door, illuminating me there. So he get up, no? He got up in the middle of the night and took my son from my side. Why? No, your service was asleep. No, but then mala, the moon not a corner, middle of the night, but then the seeking not a come, no. Penny aware, no, but then mala away he need pukwa, logic upon, no. Learn Nakunapua, pay a mikani, no, Kunapa mikan. She put him by her, no, breast and put her dead son by my breast, no, but then mala. Aware he ne put quite aware power le anu no anu kapa no do pene atana pa no do bugite da mala le memele a put quite feed gane has so ra le bugite ma no le yakapa no bugite ma le head to ra le yin no pano tera the next morning no le wa khoni there the next morning ne le wa khoni I get up to no bugite ma nurse my son no bugite ma nurse ne khu kwa ma no you go settle or call you quite poor, you put one in there now. And he was dead. Now away run away to that when it feet, no. But when I look at the closely in the morning light now, the penny or your qua booty no close. No, look at him closely in the morning light. Look for takapo I saw that it wasn't the son I had born, no? But then while you chin away in me, you pull the me you poor, no? You chin out the me you poor, you uphill on your little for a big no? The other woman said, no, Pomu, no, Agarika, Sikosiva, no, that the Miba, no? The living one is my son, no? Pretend mother, follow a moody in me like you poor quarrel, no? When it like you poor. Not the dead one is yours, there. But the gani minna pukwa, no minna pukwa. But the first one not insisted, no. The dead one is yours, no. Well, Pujanma, no. Qua sukter David ala Tamiva, no. Tamiva, not Todawa, no. Pujanma, no. A thirgani mirana pukwa, no, we did a thirgani minna pukwa, no. Why? That's one say, no, your son is dead and mine is alive. No, let them go no. The Kiana Gulu Bolo them, no, what there are, no, a Murgane, the Japukwa, no, but tell my let Thigan Pukwa, a Murgane Japukwa, a Thigan Pukwa, Gilo Bolo that didn't, no. Let them go out, but Sukumono painted David Adile, no, David Adile. No, then the king said, bring me the sword, bring me a sword. No, so funny, Tevra Hesonia. No, we don't my door. No, Dorby, no. So they brought a sword for the king. No, Hesora, so powerful Dorby. We did my Dorby, no. No, let them put our penny, no. He then gives an order, cut the living child in two and give house to one and half to the other เนาะ pretend မှာဝတ်တရလဲကဲ clock pretend မှာ clock ဝီ clock တက်ကွီ kick เนาะ clock တက်ကွီတော့ hit lock ကွီဖုခွာလเนาะပါမှုခီရနေတကတကเนาะတကเนาะအဝဲ hit တော့ hit လောအကာကနေတကเนาะတဲတာတင်းမှာเนาะတော့ဖေတော့ the woman whose son was alive was filled with the compassion for her son and said to the king เนาะပကတဲမှာလာပေါ်မှုလအဖူခွာမူဝဲတကနေเนาะပကတဲမှာလာဥဝဲတော့တာပကတဲတော့ဝဲတော့ဝဲတော့เนาะပကတဲမှာလာတာသူတမှုတတ်တာမှုအပူเนาะတော့ပကတဲမှာလာเนาะအတဲဝဲတာเนาะလောအဖူခွာဘောမเนาะတော့အတဲဝဲတာစောပါနေเนาะတဲတာလဲစောပါနေမเนาะ please တဲတာနာ please with us မเนาะ please with us my lord เนาะယကဆာ with us ယကဆာ give her the living baby don't kill him เนาะအတဲဝဲတာလဲဟီလောလဲဖိုးလို့အမှုတွေကနေမာသီအော်ဒီအဲ့တော့တဲဝဲတင်မเนาะ don't kill him เนาะမာသီအော်ဒီ but the other said တော့ပွာလပေါ်မှုအကာရကတဲဝရဒီလဲ neither နော် I nor yourself have him နော်ပကတဲမှာလားနော် neither နော်တမီနေနော် ya နော်ပကတဲမှာနာနော်ပကတဲမှာ particular ဟိုပါနော် particular ဟိုပါ come him into နော်ပကတဲမှာလားတော့တကယ်ခိကမှာတဲတာနဲ့ပေါ်မှုဝရကတဲတာ them နော် the king give his ruling เนาะပကတန်မှာနော်ဖတ်နေတော့စောပါပကတန်မှာဟီလောဝရတာကလူပကတန်မှာစညောလောဝရ ruling နဲ့စညောလောဝရမနော်တသုတသောစညောလောဝရနော် give the living baby to the first woman เนาะတရာဖိုးလအမှုတကနေဟီလောကီလပေါ်မှုလအရှိုးကတဲ့ first woman do not kill him เนาะမာသီအော်ဒီ she is เนาะhis mother တဲ့အဝနေမိတော့လနော်ပေါ်မှုနော်ဖိုးသအမိုးတော့ဘယ်တဲ့မှာနော် he is နော် she is his mother နော်ပေါ်မှုဝင်နေမိတာအမိုးတော့ when all Israel hear thisနော် what is the king has given now they hear the king is away because they saw that he has wisdom from God to demonstrate justice. Now, let us go down it. Okay. This is King Solomon doing the right thing because God gave wisdom to King Solomon, right? But you too think about in the war, okay? You should think about in the war. But sometimes you see two people fighting each other against each other. This is as you see which one is wrong, which one is the right. Okay, you should think about carefully. Okay, one is want to be fight, one is want to be fight, one is so patient. This is mean fighting people is not good. Okay, patient people is known about that. You know the two people fighting, right? Two people against each other, right? But one people left. Okay, one people stay angry. What is the mean? The less people is wiser than angry man. Remember, my brother and sister, okay? People fighting each other when people left is better than angry people. Alright? You should think about, oh, this guy is left because afraid. No, my friend, this is a wrong thing. You should be thinking wiser. Okay? You should be thinking wiser. Remember this, when you fighting against each other, okay, fighting one country and one country fighting each other against each other, this is a wrong thing we do. But someone want to their other learn, right? This is a not good thing, okay? This is not appropriate. Remember this, my friend and my brother. Okay, you go to the someone land, you want to steal or you want to take it back. This is a wrong thing, okay? This is other freedom. Okay, other kindred. You should remember that don't do this, okay? This is God know exactly you have to do, okay? You should be giving other people freedom, right? Remember that A wise ruling. This is mean the great thing you should remember. All right. I want to tell you about that. Wisdom is very grateful. Okay, wisdom is very powerful. Wisdom is very thoughtful. Remember this, my friend and my brother. Okay, don't think about easily. You will get the wisdom. Okay, because you are easily too angry. Sometimes you don't think carefully. Okay, I remember is that my friends, okay, in the workplace, okay, someone, they think he think about that I pushing the means, but I not doing that. I make it for him the better way to get in easily. But he think about it that this job is very hard to him, and then he angry to me, but I not angry. But later then, okay, somebody coming ask to me, are you okay? I'm fine. I'm no problem because other guy is he don't understand about that. Okay, he doing me, he throw me meat. This is the wrong thing, but I never, that angry him because I feeling about the when we go to the, okay, HR or we go to the, the telling the supervisor we this is a problem. We should both fire. This is mean we don't have wise. Okay, we don't have wisdom because we don't think carefully. Okay, this means you don't have nothing problem. You don't need to be fight. Someone in the he he break the pockets and then hit me. But somebody said, "Okay, are you okay?" I'm okay, but no problem. All right. But I think I get hurt. Okay, it's not too much. I think maybe one day or in the is hurt is gone. But I think about that this way. But later then the guy saw me, see me. He said, "This guy is very wrong. He is wrong." Okay, I said no problem. He said sorry about the guy said sorry. I don't see you. That's right. Sometimes we doing the mistake. Okay, we don't see some people, we hit them, but you should forgive any other people. Okay, thank you so much to watching today, and then we will see you next time. Happening again and again. Okay, wisdom is keeping in your sight. Okay, don't letting go far away. This is a better for you. Take care for you. Okay, never let him go. Okay, wisdom is. Sometimes wisdom is in the Bible talk about look like the lady. Okay, this is wisdom. Stay by your side, happen to you. Okay, this is a guide to you. This is a make us very good thing. Okay, make you safe. Remembers my friend and my brother. Okay, let us go to Bakra Sukumu Patamu Punino. Talo taku tine per was serve wa persa kuya. The blood corner all of Pekla, the blood corner tat dulo or lily social made up pom. Well, pomu. Putting a pomu le away all in the capa. Le equa trainer. The gas sicko, no? Pagaterma. Talo taku ti sitana metala a redulo tamupuno, no? Paka sukumu Bakamara. Ro pakalira le batamu pasal na kiro pakro patu pakala batamu ni pamyo oro taku tine patte ta thora nyonyo ba pamyo oro tati nya ne patatu thota thone to nyonyo siko ba pa pagiter ma pwara kala pakwa mir ma pasal na kine pakwa amo no pataku ti o no ba rilo ta le taku ti de ka no patatu thota tho tu thota shi ne pa ba pa ba no ba le ra le taku ti de ka no ba lo Pagter matu sata salota ba para ba le ta le taku taku ta taku yo ne lo le ta no ko ta ro ni pagati por ga le ta he le pato ba kla wa tu te mi ra ta la tai ko lo tu tu lo ko o me me ko awe me chi por ka ta khu ro por ka tu ro pa ne awe ne me por ga ne o taku ti no ko no ro por ga le pagter ma akwa na mit mo ba sa na ke ne me ka tu ra ro ne awe ka tu ra na ti si ko awe ne mit ta le taku ti lo o lo ne ku lo ne ku clash hi kha pa kha khu khya pa lo na ta mu ku ne ki no mo ya su ki glu tha ro su ki bo ko ga de ne ki no God bless you. Okay, thank you so much, my friends, as my brother and my sister. Okay, I will see you next time. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye bye.